Hello friends, we are back with another video and this is the ribbon. Using this ribbon we are making a nice face as well as the ears and making the eyes here. This is how we have made a very cute face and we are creating this nice eyes with a nice nose as well as innocence look over here, the hands and the legs that we are creating a nice cute panda. Next, it's another thing that we are making and this is a nice bird we are trying to make. Again, it's baby bird that we are making and this is how we have spreaded the wings over here and made this bird fly high in the sky, having something in her mouth for his friends. And this is how we have given the colors to this nice cute baby bird over here. And this is how it's done after coloring. So beautiful. Next, it's another thing that we are making and this is the lovely face we are trying to make, his trunk, and making a nice baby elephant look over here with eyes, glittery eyes over here, and making the big ears and something like this over here, making the lower part and making the legs over here, trying to make a nice baby elephant look that we have created. Next, it's another thing that we are trying to make here and it's a lovely thing that we have made with big eyes over here as we can make it and the nose like this, and it's a nice face we are trying to make over here, a nice cartoon face depicting a monkey look here. And this is the body parts we are making here with big hands, and this is how one hand is up and one hand is down like this, and the legs over here, and he is saying hi to his friends over here. You can make side by side his similar friends over here. Next, it's another drawing that we will create to make here and it's a nice lovely face we have drawn and with big ears like this. This is how we have made the eyes over here and the happy face. Here's a nice shirt that we are trying to design of this nice cute elephant look that we have created here, and this is how we have colored it. Next, it's another thing that we will make and this is how we are giving this nice pattern so that it looks something like this over here with a face and this thing on top so that it looks like a boy over here wearing this nice thing on top, and lower part we are trying to make something like this, his hand, and making this nice cute look over here, and it's again a baby boy that we have created. And next one we are trying to make something else and this is the other pattern that we are creating with the ears on top and making something like this eyes over here. This is the beautiful eyes and the looks that we have drawn of this cute female rabbit that we have created over here, and the legs, and this is how we have made such a cute cartoon.